In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to QuickBooks Online and set up a custom invoice template that perfectly matches your business needs. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or just looking to spruce up your invoicing process, this guide will walk you through every step to ensure your invoices look professional and carry the right information. First, let's get started by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks Online website by typing in https://qbo.intuit.com. Once there, go ahead and sign in using your account credentials. If you're already logged in, you'll be taken directly to your dashboard, which is the central hub for all your business data. Now that you're in your account, let's focus on customizing your invoice forms. To begin, look towards the top right of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is the settings menu, where you'll find various options to configure different aspects of your QuickBooks account. From this drop-down menu, find the section labeled Your Company. Under this section, select Custom Form Styles. This is where the fun begins as you start designing your new invoice template. Once on the Custom Form Styles page, you're ready to create a brand new template for your invoices. Click the New Style button, and from the options that appear, choose Invoice. This action will open up several customization tabs, each allowing you to tweak different elements of your invoice to suit your business branding and preferences. Let's walk through these customization tabs. First, the Design tab is where you can choose the overall style of your template, adjust fonts, and select colors that align with your brand. You can also add your company's logo to give your invoices that professional touch. Moving on, the Header tab allows you to input or edit your company information, adjust the invoice title, and select the layout for the header. It's crucial to ensure that all information appears clearly so your clients know exactly who they're dealing with. Next, there is the Footer tab. Here, you can add any necessary custom text at the bottom of your invoices. This is a great place to include terms, your website, or any disclaimers you need your clients to be aware of. Lastly, the Emails tab allows you to tailor the email message that will accompany your invoice, ensuring your communication is as professional and consistent as your branding. Once you're satisfied with how your template looks, click Done to save your changes. At this point, you can choose to set your new template as the default for all new invoices or simply select it as needed. To use your custom template when creating a new invoice, click the Customize button at the bottom and pick your template from the list. And there you have it. Your customized invoices are ready to be deployed, ensuring that every piece of communication from your business is as polished and professional as you are. Thanks for watching, and happy invoicing!